Welcome to this stunning, fully remodeled home in the heart of Kierland. Step inside this beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom residence, where a seamless open floor plan welcomes you with top-tier upgrades at every turn. From the sleek quartz countertops and custom cabinetry to the designer lighting and premium flooring, every detail has been thoughtfully curated to blend modern elegance with everyday comfort. The spacious living area flows effortlessly into a gourmet kitchen, perfect for hosting lively gatherings or simply unwinding after a long day. Each bedroom is generously sized for ultimate relaxation, while the spa-inspired bathrooms offer a tranquil retreat that feels like your own personal oasis. Now venture outside to your private, low-maintenance backyard paradise, complete with lush artificial turf, a cozy fire pit, and a built-in barbecue. It's ideal for entertaining under the stars or enjoying those quiet evenings at home. No mowing, no fuss, just pure enjoyment. Nestled in a sought-after neighborhood, this move-in-ready gem delivers upscale living with effortless outdoor charm, luxury, comfort, and convenience, all wrapped up in one incredible package. Don't miss your chance to make it yours.